Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Public School. Today for class 5th, we are here with another amazing topic, a topic which will gives you an amazing joy and beautiful remembrance of your past holidays travel by car, buses, trains or airplanes. So, today's topic is transport. In this module, you will study what is transport, types of transportation, land transport, water transport and air transport. Can you imagine your life without the means of transport? How would we go somewhere? How would we transfer our goods from one place to another? So, transport plays an important role in our life. Transport refers to the activity that facilitates physical movement of goods as well as individuals from one place to another. The invention of the wheel. The wheel was invented around 3500 BC. It was a major milestone in the history of human development. The wheel can be used for many purposes like making toys, vehicles, clocks and so on. The wheel is the base for most of the invention made by human. In fact, the invention of wheel had a fundamental impact on transport and later on agriculture and industries. Types of transportation. Types of transportation. Land transport. There are three types of transportation: land, water and air. In land transportation, you will study road transportation, rail transportation, pipeline transportation, ropeway transportation. Clear? Land transportation. Land transport refers to activities of physical movement of goods and passengers on land. Road transport. Roads are the means that connect one place to another on the surface of the land. Three types: man driven, animal driven, motor driven. Advantages of road transport: door to door service, economical over short distances, flexibility, limited capital expenditure. And some disadvantages are irregular and unreliable, unsuitable for long distances, no uniformity in rate, limited speed, affected by weather. Rail transport. Rail transport is a cheap and quick form of transportation for carrying goods and services over long distance. Steam engine was invented by James Watt around 200 years ago. For the first time, train and ship were fitted with steam engine. And the USA has the largest railway network in the world. Indian Railway began their operation in April 1853 when the first railway steamed off from Bombay to Thane, a stretch of 34 km. Over the years, the Indian railway system has grown to be the largest in Asia and second largest in world. As far as of route length is concerned, Indian railway system is fourth largest in the world after US, Russia and China. Some advantages and disadvantages of rail transport. First, advantages: high speed, suitable for long distances, bulky goods, protection, large carrying capacity. And some disadvantages are huge capital expenditure, high overheads, no door to door service, no competition, inflexible mode. Pipeline transport. This mode of transport is exclusively suited for transportation of liquid and gases. The US own a 65% share of total pipeline length in world, followed by Russia at 8% and Canada at 3%. Some advantages and disadvantages of pipeline. Advantages: suitable for all weathers, low energy consumption, space utilization continuous. Disadvantages: state of commodity to be transported is limited, leakages problem, high fixed cost. Ropeway transport. Ropeway transport is used for transporting material in hilly areas. In India, 16% of total area is hilly. Currently in India, nearly 178-kilometer ropeways are used for transportation. Who invented ropeway? Andrew Smith Hedley. Some advantages and disadvantages of ropeway transport. Advantages: transport bulk material over short distance, lower capital cost, it is ideal for hilly areas, does not pollute the environment. Disadvantages: limited scope of operation because it can function only on hilly areas, slow mode of transport. Now, water transport. Water transport is the cheapest form of transport. It is broadly divided in inland and ocean transport. You know, China has the best water transport in this world. In India, there are 12 major ports and 200 non-major ports along the coastline. Major ports direct responsibility of central government, while non-major ports are managed and administered by the respective state government. Some advantages of water transport: cheapest mode of transport, large carrying capacity, safety, protection to goods, flexibility. And some disadvantages of water transport: slow, huge capital expenditure, huge cost of maintenance, no door to door service, special packing. Air transport. This is the fastest mode of transport. It is used for the movement of passengers and goods having less volume but high value. It has the advantages of high speed. You know who invented aeroplanes? Wright brothers. Wright brothers. Clear? Now, some advantages and disadvantages of air transport: flexible, quick service, natural highways, protection, and high speed. Some disadvantages of air transport are high cost of construction and maintenance, very costly as compared to other means of transport, limited carrying capacity, international restriction, unsuitable for bulky goods. Now, choice of mode. Choice of mode depend on depend on a variety of factors. The main ones are the nature of the material to move, the volume and distance. Other factors include value of material, importance, transit time, reliability, cost and flexibility to negotiate rates, reputation and stability of carriers, security, loss and damage, schedule and frequency of delivery. In the end, I would like to say travel to live, live to travel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.